Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine and I'm here with Katina Athanasiou, who is the Senior Vice President of Sales and Services for the Americas at Celebrity Cruises. And we love having our Insider Travel Report, but we're also together at Travel Leaders Network's EDGE conference in, San Diego, and this is Insider Travel Report. Thank you for talking to us.
So excited to be here. Hey, everybody.
So you talked about clients coming in with the what, the ship. I really like this. This was part of her speech to the group. The what, the ship, the date, the destination, but advisors needing to get to the why. What does that actually sound like in real sales conversation?
I love that. So that to me is asking, why are they wanting to go on this vacation? What are they looking to get out of it? Who are they traveling with? And what memories are they looking to bring home? Really getting to understand what motivates people to want to vacation and invest in both their time and money, getting to those motivators, and then helping them find the perfect vacation.
But see, the reason I asked that first, because we really should be talking about ships and itineraries and all that,
No.
but it's the heart of
Yes.
where this all goes.
It is. We are in the memory-making business.
Yeah.
So if we stop thinking about this as a transaction and begin really looking at it from the emotional connectivity perspective, that's what makes really good advisors great. And that is the empathy, the human connection, the ability of technology for never, ever to replace.
Okay, so now we have that, we have the why. Let's go to the what, just for a little bit. So you've got a lot going on. You got new ships, new itineraries, new renovations. You got a beach club.
We
You
do.
want to talk about that?
The Royal Beach Club in Santorini that we are accessing. It is absolutely spectacular. We had our first ship call there last week. So it's really the opportunity to experience Santorini in all aspects. You can take a half-day tour and head up to the top of the mountain. You can do the beach for several hours. You can do the beach for the whole day. And it's a full beach club experience. Food and drink and options and gorgeous sand like you would expect in Greece.
Solstice series.
Renovation, yes, our Solstice just came out of her major $100 million renovation. She's currently sailing in Alaska. She looks spectacular. We have brand new public spaces. We have Boulevard Lounge, dueling pianos, a ton of fun activities, Sunset Park. We've redone the whole upper deck. We have new suites with retreat, and we've added new suites and stateroom categories. Really excited about the renovations. Our guests are loving it. And of course, Trattoria Rosa, which is an authentic Italian restaurant.
But so everything that you described, all of the upgrades and all that comes from the why.
Yes. We have done a lot over the last several years to really understand our guest and understand what motivates them. What are their behaviors when they travel? What are the things that they like to do, and where are they kind of gathering together? And so you'll see a lot of differences in our public spaces, how we've created activities and entertainment surrounding how people are really wanting to connect when they travel. Things like the bazaar.
Right.
Perfect example on Excel. We learned that guests really wanted the destination to be a little bit closer.
Okay.
They wanted the authenticity of that. They wanted to understand culture through food, through entertainment. And so building those experiences around what the guest data is telling us has been a game changer.
And here's what I was wanting to ask you. Everyone's waiting for the elephant in the room. Rivers.
Yes, we are super excited. We are now open all the way through 2028. So we'll ask all of our advisor partners, continue to connect with your sales manager. Let's talk about and learn all the different itineraries. We're on the Danube and the Rhine. We have 5 ships sailing in 2028. And we've come out with a bang.
Let's blow this up.
We've talked about, and honestly, the guests have told us that they are ready for transformation on the river, and we're ready to bring that innovation. More outdoor spaces, the ability to use the outdoor spaces, more innovative designs, and the ability to bring a little bit of the Edge class fun with our magic dining pods that cantilever over the ship, new suite categories, the Skylight Suite, all types of really pushing the envelope. Most importantly, what our advisors have talked about that they love, up to 6 dining venues and options. How incredible, 24-hour room service that's available, 24-hour access to food and drink.
Let's get back then to the why. Now, how does a travel advisor who has celebrity clients express the river to them?
Yes. This is about connecting closer to the destination and the authenticity of the destination. So if you have a customer from Celebrity who's been there and done that, this is about connecting into closer culture. And through our discovery models, which you'll learn is our shore experiences, this has the opportunity to do things that are unlike anyone else. We want to get you closer. We want to get you more authentic with people that have lived there, not just tour guides who have memorized a script. Right. And we want the ability for your guests to do things at their own pace and time.
Okay. So now we're going out to 125,000 travel advisors. What's your message to them? And also, let's give them URLs and things where they can get more information.
Amazing. First and foremost, it's a massive thank you to everything that you do, for everything that you are. We cannot and would never, ever want to do this without you. So a massive thank you on behalf of everyone at Celebrity Cruises. You want to make sure that you check us out at thecelebritycommitment.com, because that is your one-stop shop for everything in terms of marketing and support. You can connect with your team there. And also join our private Facebook group that is The Celebrity Commitment. On Facebook, it's exclusive to our travel partners. We do a lot of engagement, a ton of giveaways. We have major stuff going on for Travel Advisor Appreciation Month, because it's not just a day. And we really want to be able to support you in any and every way possible.
That's so great. I hope they all take advantage. Thank you for talking to us.
Thanks, guys.
And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.